Ranchers on Colorado's eastern plains are bracing for this storm.
They've been through this before. Our Sean Chitnis visited one of them in Kiowa. And Sean, you talked to this rancher during last month's storm.
Yeah, Dominic, and Charlie Carnahan tells us that since we last visited him, he has 100 newborns that have joined his ranch. And so, of course, he has a lot to worry about tonight. But here at the urban farm in Stapleton, the concern is similar. They have several different types of animals, and they are doing what they can to protect them.
This could be worse because we're getting more calves.
Charlie Carnahan is responsible for 400 cows on his family ranch, a tradition that goes back generations as early as the 1860s. So many newborns have arrived in the last couple weeks. He's doing what he can to keep them safe.
It was a tough storm, you know. We lost some newborns, but it wasn't too bad.
The last storm to come through Colorado was deadly, but he says there are more calves at risk this time. Even the smallest windbreak can help these cows survive, especially the older ones, which can reach 1,000 pounds. But on a foggy morning before the weather made a dramatic change, he had 6 calves born just today.
These storms are really rough at this time of year.
And the fog can create its own challenges without any snow or wind.
I had a bull out on the road this morning, and cars were coming, and they couldn't see him very far ahead of time, but luckily nobody hit him.
Year after year, his family does what they can, feeding the cows hay just right up until the storm to give them more weight, and getting as many closer to shelter for some protection. One newborn is already sick, so he and his mother got into the barn before this blizzard shows up.
It can't be helped. You just do the best you can.
And so while Charlie Carnahan has to focus on the cows on his ranch, over here they have so many different animals. The horses will be getting blankets. They're giving food to a lot of the other animals, extra food to weather the storm. And then even the ducks, they say, are the few animals that actually enjoy this weather. And you will see them outside as the storm comes through. Reporting live tonight, Sean Chitnis, covering Colorado First.
All right, Sean, thanks. And you